Hello, welcome back to Study Times, and as always, thanks for coming to watch my videos on this channel. And anyway, let's get back to the show. So today we're going to be doing something with food coloring, water, and oil. So for this experiment, you'll need any amount of kind of food coloring, something that stirs. In this case, I just chose a knife, some water, and oil. So now I'm gonna be putting each kind of drop right into the oil part first. It doesn't mix. The second one, wow, it's actually funny. Now it's time to pour it all into the water. Now I'm going to mix it with the oil. As you can see, this didn't quite mix, but now I'm going to pour it into the water. Now it's time to get started. So the reason why this happened was because oil and water don't mix. Well, water molecules only attract water molecules, and it doesn't actually attract the oil molecules. And because oil is less denser than the water, then it rose up. If it were more, then it would probably have gone through the bottom in form of bubbles, bubble-like structure. Food coloring, why it fell down all the way down here is because it's actually water content. And as we said, water molecules always attract more water molecules. It just went down and to attract the water. And as you can see, there are a little bit food coloring droplets in there. But those are actually things trapped in there. They didn't actually mix with it. It's just that the amount in it just makes it dark and blurry. Now, as for a bonus, I'll now mix this. It seems like the water molecules, the food coloring mixed together, but however, as always, the oil never mixed. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe, and don't forget to smash that like button and click that notification bell. And as always, thanks for watching my videos by honoring them.